Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel HealthQ, the place where our mission is to not only motivate you but help you to move on to the bright side of the health. In this video, let me show you the 8 common tender spots or painful areas that are commonly observed in people who suffer from fibromyalgia. Fibromyalgia is a very common problem, but due to this problem, people suffer from chronic pain. Now, there are certain areas in the body where this chronic pain is very high or is commonly experienced. What are these areas? Let's have a look. Number 1. The first and most commonest area for pain in person who suffers from fibromyalgia is in the lower neck region. This is a very common spot of pain for most of the people who suffer from fibromyalgia. Second pain area is edge of the breast. Yes, women who experience fibromyalgia very often also experience pain on the edge of the breast, which is a very consistent and chronic pain, and this is so tender that despite of therapy for long period of time also, sometimes this tender spot doesn't go. That takes me to the common third area, which is at the arm region around the elbow. This is also a commonly affected area when it comes to fibromyalgia. The fourth area is knee region. Pain in and around the knee is also very common, or tender spots in and around the knee is also very common when a person experiences fibromyalgia. That takes me to the fifth area, which is at the base of the skull or else on the side of the neck. Here also pain is very common, and mostly this pain gets more aggravated while sleeping or else early in the morning when a person wakes up. Taking to the next point, which is hip bone. Yes, hip pain is also very commonly observed, or else tenderness around the hip area is also very commonly observed in people who suffer from fibromyalgia. It's important to find out these areas of tenderness and start working on them immediately so that this pain do not aggravate. Taking to the next point, that is upper and outer buttock region. Yes, buttocks are also not spared in fibromyalgia, and that's why pain in the upper buttock region and outer buttock region is commonly experienced when a person suffers from fibromyalgia. Bringing to the next point from there is back of your shoulder region. Yes, your scapular bone or as your shoulder blades, between that area is also a common spot for people experiencing fibromyalgia. The another common spot following this is the upper back or as the thoracic hump. Thoracic hump is commonly experienced or observed in people who suffer from fibromyalgia, and most of the time this thoracic hump is tender as well. Hence, keeping all of these 8 points in mind, it's important to use it as a criteria for diagnosis, and at the same time the therapist needs to work on reducing the pain at these levels. So when you suffer from fibromyalgia, it's important to look out for these 8 tender spots. If they are there, make sure to see a physiotherapist or as a doctor immediately and start working on them so that it does not become chronic. On that note, I'll end this video here and I'll see you in another video. Thank you.